Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to the special series of inspirational videos. And last week I came out with a video where three people praying to the God, and one asking for money, one asking for gold, and one asking for the God. At the end of the video I just mentioned that I am the God, and many people have misunderstood that. How can you call yourself as a God? I'm not calling myself as God like something like Nityananda, that kind of people, right? And I stated very clearly, anyone who is helping you, that becomes a God, and you keep the God on your side forever so that you get the knowledge and other things free. So, to the trollers, most of them must be trollers. Those trollers, I'm going to give you one more story. One guy was standing on his house and there was a huge rain. The flood level keep rising, the water level keep rising, and he cannot go any more higher than his house, and he is going to drown, and he doesn't know swimming. So, he is going to die. He was praying to the God, God, please come and save me. That time, one swimmer was swimming along with a very big wooden blanket. So he told him, I am a very good swimmer, and moreover I have a very big wooden plank. You just sit on this wooden plank and I can just take you safely. And he said, no, why should I take your help? God will come and help me. Then that guy went away. And after some time, a man came with a boat. He said, see, now it is raining and very soon the water level will go up, you are going to die. So come onto the boat so we can leave this place safely. He says, no, why should I take your help? I believe in God, the God will come and help me. Then the boat guy also went. After some time, one helicopter came. A rescue helicopter, and the people say, we are rescuing all the stranded people. So you are stranded, come on, you come to the helicopter, we will take you away. Then he says, why should I come? The God will come and save me. And then the helicopter also left. The water level increased further, and then he doesn't know swimming and he died. And he went to the heaven, and there he met the God, and he told the God, I trusted you so much and I thought you will come and save me. Why you didn't come? Why you did not save me? The God replied, who told you I did not come? I came 3 times to save you. You refused to save yourself. I came as a swimmer, you refused. I came as a boatman, you refused. I came as a helicopter man, you still refused. So if you keep refusing the God's help, tell me who can help you. So then he realized that God does not come down to help you directly. Even if the God comes down to the earth to help you, how do you know that he is a God? Because you have never seen the God. So what you see in the temples or what you see in the movies, the God must come in that shape. Then only you will believe. So even if the God comes down directly, you will never know who is the God. And God always helps you through good people. So any good people you see around you, you see the God within them. And this is what I told you in the beginning itself. There are 4 stages of yoga, where first stage, you believe God is there in the temple. Number 2, stage 2, God is everywhere. Stage 3, God is within you. The 4th stage, you are the God. Which means that if you think yourself as a God, then you will do only good things to other people. And other people will like you. You will never do the bad thing. So many people misinterpret, and I really don't know. So many people, they are jobless or don't know. They just open a Twitter account, only come to my timeline to say, Mr. Sundar, you are fraud. Mr. Sundar, you are a scamster. And today one guy said, Mr. P.R. Bandar. Right. Then I got annoyed. I said, I can understand the frustrated person's feeling. Then he said, I can understand your frustrated scamster. Like, I'm not following you, right? Why you want to go and follow somebody, then you say you are a scamster, you are a fraud and this and that. And I really don't understand the logic of these people. I can understand only one logic. People do not like the successful people. And for them, all the successful people are scamsters. The reason is very, very simple. They have to give a reason for their failure. So why they have failed in their life? Why they are not making good money? Why they are not happy in their life? And because they don't want to do wrong things. Because all the people who are happy, who are making good money, and they are all doing wrong things. So this kind of mentality is very, very, very bad. And always remember, I remember there was a movie in Tamil, it was a very famous movie, and there is a small line, there is a big line, and the director will ask, how will you make this bigger line smaller one? So there are two ways you can do. You can take a eraser and the longer line you erase it so that it becomes smaller than the small line. That is one possibility. Second possibility, take a pencil and draw bigger. The smaller line, you make it bigger so that the bigger line will look small. So, very simple. What you can do in your life, you can try, you can do something good in your life, you can put in your effort, you can learn new things, you become bigger than me. That is one way of making me small. And another thing, you can call all the successful, he is a scamster, he is a fraud and this and that, then you think that you are bigger than them. So there are two ways you can become bigger than me. One, by putting me down, by calling me scamster, fraud, etc., etc. And another thing, by growing yourself. So if you are a right person, you should learn to grow bigger than me, to look at me as small one. But most of the people, they come to Twitter and all the popular people, they go there, they say you are a scam, you are a fraud, okay, let me be a scamster, let me be a fraudster. What is the problem? I am totally unrelated to you. You are not achieving anything. You are not going anywhere. Right? So some people, they are so stupid, I block them. They open a Twitter account using another name and they say, why you block me? As if I cannot block them second time. Right? So, be a responsible citizen and make the social media is something good for learning purpose and not for trolling others and venting their angers and venting their frustration, that kind of things. So, in no way that is going to help you. And many people may say, why Mr. Sundar is focusing so much on trollers, and I have focused so much on my followers. I came out with so many stories for my followers. So this time, this is a story for my trollers. So I will be happy at least if one troller changes his behavior based on this story. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.